Okay guys, hello. This is going to be a quick video on how to turn VoiceOver on your iPhone or iPad. So if you go into settings, make sure general is selected, and then you go to accessibility.
VoiceOver setting portrait bowling key iPad 9GB of 32GB general back button about language and region date and time button iPad storage accessibility button selected vision speech off speech on VoiceOver off,
And then you go to VoiceOver at the top, and then
settings portrait,
and then you hit the little toggle just there to turn it on. Now when you go to activate something, let's say I
music,
go on to
address photos Google address Google button Google
a web page, a second.
United Kingdom Google search Google use precise settings United Google search happy Google account 0 Google happy New Year 2019 link finish.
You can see that's what today's Google image is. Yeah, and this is my first video for 2019.
Hyphen use setting privacy terms link.
So let's say
reader available updated version link of our terms of service last modified view archive right bracket welcome to Google, thanks for using our products and services the services are provided by Google LLC VoiceOver off.
See, it basically reads out what's on the screen, and if you want to see any more accessibility tips, please let me know in the comments and I'll try and get around to doing those for you. So once again, if you go to settings, now there is a trick where once you go into the settings, what you can do is go into general. Oops.
VoiceOver on portrait control center selected general about iPad storage accessibility vision heading VoiceOver off.
Go all the way down to the bottom till you see accessibility shortcut, and you can see mine is selected for VoiceOver. So what that means is that I can triple click the home button like that, and it turns it on and off nice and easily. So hopefully this helped you turn on and basically use VoiceOver. It's a quick tutorial video on what it is and how to use it. Thanks for watching.